brunette girl in Cyprus, an accountant. Hi everyone! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your lovely girl Anastasia. This is the first vlog that I'm going to start on my new favorite super princessy room. My heart is so full with love and happiness about this new chapter in my life. I have some good news to share with you and I'm so excited. Literally, this is the best chapter in my life, I think. If you don't know, I moved into a new house with my family, not by myself, with my mom, one family. And we moved into a new house. We didn't buy it, we made it. Hi baby, my cat. And finally, this house is ready. And this room has been in my heart and in my mind literally forever. And I couldn't wait for this house to be done so I can have finally this lovely and princessy room that I always dream of. You can hear him crying. He's like a baby. I never saw a cat like him before. Stop! He's gonna ruin my bed, like I'm so sure. So naughty. Anyway. He literally needs attention 24/7. This is unbelievable. Let me show you how big he got. If you remember him, he was a baby and now he's like a big man. I love you. Go away. Go away. Oh my god. I forgot to tell you. I know you saw it. Yes, I dyed my hair brown, like a chocolatey brown. And this is my natural hair, very curly. Yesterday I had a shower and I didn't blow dry them. And I let them to dry by themselves, air dry. And I love the way they're drying because they're short and they're not destroyed anymore. They're free. A big changes in my life. Also, guys, all the video that I upload, like Study With Me University final exam. If you didn't see it, I will have a link down below. You can watch it. Maybe for next year if you're gonna go to uni, so you know how the finals are. I passed all my exams and I'm so blessed and happy because in that video, you saw me, like I was so stressed and I think you can see it. I had a lot of pimples and acne, but now thank God I'm pretty clean. Like I'm starting getting cleaner and cleaner. Guys, I passed all my exam and that means I'm gonna graduate in 1 month. And yesterday I bought a graduation dress that I always dreamed of. And I'm gonna say it again, so blessed because this year for me, everything that I really dreamed of are coming true and it's unbelievable, amazing. Tell me how coincidence is it? Like I've always dreamed of a specific dress to wear to my graduation, a specific material, a specific color, a specific way in my mind. And now that I'm graduating, I found it, the same one. I always wanted to make it from scratch if I couldn't find it, like because this day is so special for me. And I cannot believe it that I found the specific dress that I had in my mind before even go to university. And I can say this is a good manifest example because I'm always like to manifesting and be positive. For some reason, look, this section is full of lipsticks, okay? I have a specific lipstick with a specific name, a lot of specifics, but with a name that is so meaningful for me. Like not the same number, I have another number, like an angel's number, the 22 or the 1111. It's my favorite, the 1111. But I bought this one, okay? And it was on top of everything. I don't really wear it, but it was on top of everything. Now that I'm talking about my life, and look, the name of the lipstick. 2121. Like, I know. So yeah, I passed my exam, I'm graduating, so get ready for graduation vlog. Of course, like I don't even discuss that. I got this Benefit skin tint that is like a liquid blush for summer. I love wearing this at the beach and I'm obsessed. Of course, I'm gonna show you in a beach vlog. Maybe in this vlog, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I will show you how I'm wearing it, so stay tuned. So Yes, I found my graduation dress and now I'm looking for shoes, for heels actually. And I know what heels I want. I just need to find a store to buy them. And we're done with graduation. I need to think about hair, but I'm thinking curly hair. So yesterday I booked my tickets for graduation for my family, and I need also to book my gown, you know. Favorite day finally is coming. I know I've been inactive these days and I'm so sorry. It was just, please understand me, because I was studying for uni the last 2 months, like May and April. And then my friends came in UK and we had a trip in UK, and then we left all together and we came back to Cyprus, to our country. And then I had to fix my room because I never been in my room before. I have never been in my room before. It was totally new for me. And I had to tidy my things and, you know, get my life together so I can come back on social media. I'm gonna try upload the best that I can. Like, I'm gonna try it twice a week. And I wanna see how this is gonna go. Now that I'm an accountant, because I'm done and I can say that I'm an accountant, I need to see what I'm gonna do with job, and you know, I need to find a little bit and get my life again together about this section, about the work jobs section. I'm thinking about ACA, like for charter. I'll keep you updated. My cat's gonna come in one. I was so sure about for you. I love you. I love you. By the way, look. I put eyelashes extensions and I'm loving them. I don't know what I did my whole life. I didn't have eyelashes extensions. Like, I feel so much put together and I'm gonna redo them again and again until I'm gonna get bored. If you wanna know where I went to do my eyelashes in Limassol, Cyprus, just DM me and I will tell you on my Instagram. Of course, I'm gonna do a room tour on my lovely room. I can't even stop staring at my room because, I don't know, obsessed. Facing my dreams in real life now and get ready for a lot of vlogs on my new house. I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. This is from Stradivarius and it's a long. I think I'm gonna go for a coffee with my boyfriend and then I really don't know. We'll see. Yesterday I did a full home spa. Like, I did everything, and I even cleaned my brushes, and I purchased this case because it's closing, and I love because it's avoiding the dust to go to the brushes. So yesterday I washed my brushes finally for a new beginnings. I love how I romanticizing everything in my life. Like, that's good. I really wish I could have that romance in my life earlier, but now I feel complete. Yesterday I did a full home spa, like literally body care, hair care, face care, everything that you can imagine about skincare, hair care, body care. I did it. Everything. Look how tidy they are on this little box, and choop, no dust, no acne. Brunette girl in a princessy room in Cyprus. Let's go. Oh, I forgot the most important. An accountant. Okay, this is the look. So good and cute. And also I'm gonna hold this Juicy Couture that I got from UK, and I'm obsessed. It reminds me of those vintage Juicy Coutures. Look. I'm literally learning about ACA and ACCA. Like, why I'm doing this to myself? I don't know. I'm kind of obsessed lately with success. Like, so much. I like that. Like, 2 years ago, if you told me like sit during the summer and just learn about ACA, I was gonna be like FY. But now that I want to, and I'm kind of very in love with success and like having your own money as much as possible. Like I'm like very obsessed lately, and I'm just so focused. So yeah, cat, my baby, and I'm just sitting there and learning about ACA and ACCA, and I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do, what I'm going to do, ACA or ACCA, and where, what I need to do, how do I start, and all kind of things. I don't know. Look at this water, Barbie, and it's like, make today sparkle. It's from Jumbo, by the way, and I want to get a lot of them and put them on my fridge there. How amazing it's gonna be to have a Barbie water bottles, like mini ones, on this pink fridge on my pink room. Like obsessed. I'm learning about the subjects. I'm kind of sick, as you can hear by my voice. I don't know what happened, why I'm every single week sick. Like, it's insane. It's like something happening to my immune system. I need to have like tests, like blood tests, to see what's going on, because I can't every week. I'm sick. So we're going to the beach finally, because I was sick and I am still sick, but I was worse. I couldn't go to the beach, and now I'm kind of better, and I said no, today I'm gonna go to the beach no matter what. So we're going to the beach today. I just came home and I tidied my room, and it's pretty tidy and clean, and now it's time to go to the shower, because I really need to shower. I just came from the beach, and look at my hair, how curly and beachy they are. That was my outfit of the beach, by the way. This is from 𝐜𝐸𝐴, and I think this short is from 𝐜𝐸𝐴 as well, and it's like that, like this short. And I got some new products from the hair salon, and I want to try them with you. They are unopened, so we're gonna open them together and see what's in the packaging, and I will tell you my opinion, like how I feel about that. That's the products, and I love the packaging. Brand is Sensuous Hair Hair Lovers. And I got this from a hair salon in Limited Cyprus. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what hair salon I'm talking about. And I'm talking about Valentino Hairstylist. If you are from Limited Cyprus, I totally recommend you to go there. And let's open it. I'm using this thingy to open it. I lost a nail today. Like, how sad. How sad. And tonight I'm gonna go a night out. I don't know if you can hear outside the noises. Now the packaging is even more prettier. Let me close the balcony because I can't unbox it. How? It smells so... Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so fruity. Pretty. I love the packaging that is pink. I never had pink shampoo before. So... oh my god, it smells so good. I'm sure this is gonna smell so good on my hair. So this is natural and bio ingredients. Also, it's vegan friendly, and there's anti-humidity shield. Okay, and there's keratin and quinoa and keratin. This is gonna be so good for my hair. The mask, same ingredients, nourishing timing mask, and again, it's pink. I'm living for it. And also we have this one that is the milk, and this is a pastel yellow. Also, I'm in love with the color, and it's also with quinoa, keratin, natural and bio ingredients. It's also parabens free. All the products are parabens free. First step, there's like here you can see the steps, and then the first thing first is the shampoo, and then you need to rinse it, and then you apply this for 5 minutes, and then you rinse it as well, and then you're applying this, and then you can apply your heat. Few easy steps. So look, quinoa, natural ingredients, shampoo, amazing packaging. The mask, same thing, same ingredients, and then the milk. Shampoo, mask, and milk. You can see everything that you want. Screenshot and read. Oh my god, guys, they are so soft, and this is not even conditioner, it's a shampoo, and they are so soft. Wow, it's the most moisturizing shampoo I ever had. All the other shampoos are very dry. It's so moisturizing and it smells so good. Like, it's definitely my hair gonna smell amazing. The mask is amazing. It smells so tasty. It smells like tutti frutti. It smells so good. I love it, I love it, I love it. Like, my hair is not dry. Like, definitely my hair is gonna be 100% super moisturizing after the shower. So that's my skincare. And now I will apply moisturizer, vitamin C, Nip and Fab eye patches, and eye cream. Let's do this. Look how burned I am from the sun. Like, ouch. What cream I put? Bioderma? Something like that, that is specific for sunburns. And now I need to moisturize my hands and my legs, because I really like to deep moisturize my face and my whole body, actually, even hair, when I am exposed to the sun. Now it's time to use my milk. So this is a vegetable keratin quinoa milk, and let's apply it. But first things first, let's moisturize my lips. I'm using this Vaseline and this lip brush. So, because I have nails and I can't, so I'm just dip my lip brush and applying the Vaseline. It's super moisturizing, and this is a really must do when you expose yourself to the sun. Deep moisturize your hair, your face, your whole body, because due to sun it's getting so dry. I love the color, it's very milky and it's really yellow. I thought it was just the packaging, but it's not. Okay, it makes my hair very banana. Okay, it smells like banana. I think it's not banana because it wasn't that smell, the name of the smell, but it smells like banana. Hi guys, so I got a new ring light and you can see it there. So now I have two. I did an upgrade for YouTube because now that I'm done with uni, I want to give also a little more focus to YouTube. And I got this one that is bigger. The circle is even more bigger than my last one. And trust me, this is big. That was big. And imagine how huge this is. Like, this can go like it's so high. And yeah, it's huge. So I did an upgrade. You can change it 3 modes, and you can put your phone there, or there. So we had an upgrade and we love it. I think I'm gonna end this vlog because it's already so long. So that was a video. Thank you so much for watching. That was my vlog. Get ready for more vlogs and more sit-down videos, and welcome back and welcome to my new life. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and keep up with my social medias. I love you guys.